Introducing Caption Animator Pro.
Yeah, I feel rhythm in my soul.
The most powerful and intuitive text animation script for Adobe After Effects.
Create stunning, dynamic text animations in seconds with the most powerful and intuitive script available. Start by typing your text directly, or import subtitles from an SRT file for automatic timing. Choose your font and style with a single click. Customize any style further with fonts, colors, drop shadows, and more. Choose from 3 animation styles. Classic word by word, continuous background highlights for enhanced readability, or dramatic one word at a time animations, perfect for fast-paced speech. Pair your choice with our background styles, full height, compact, or underline, to give your message a unique personality. Hit Generate Animation and watch your captions come to life instantly.
I feel rhythm in my soul.
Our AI-enhanced sync mode intelligently analyzes your audio to sync and position each text element, ensuring the best possible fit and timing. Need adjustments? The Live Edit panel gives you full control. Instantly adjust colors, position, and outlines. Toggle backgrounds and drop shadows on or off for the perfect level of polish.
Complete the dish with a sprinkle of microgreens for a fresh, elegant finish.
Start creating professional text animations faster.
Get Caption Animator Pro today.
I feel rhythm in my soul.